In French, this popular brand of French wine would be pronounced JP Chenet Cabernet-Syrah. JP Chenet Cabernet-Syrah, but it'd be fine in English to pronounce it JP Chenet Cabernet-Syrah. JP Chenet Cabernet-Syrah. JP Chenet Syrah Cabernet is a blend produced in the southern part of France in the Languedoc area that comes under the Pays d'Oc IGP. The producer gives it a ruby red color with strong and clear hues, aromas of cherries and blackcurrant, a touch of licorice and peppery notes. Food and wine pairing suggestions include meal with friends with good meat and cheeses, served between 16 and 18 degrees Celsius. This was, in short, what is JP Chenet Cabernet-Syrah. JP Chenet also produces different blends, different grape varieties, all from the south of France. Very, very popular brand of French wine, globally, worldwide. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Cheers!